Hello, Amit. It's Gary. The 36x zoom camera is ready to ship, and we are doing the final test for you. This is a gimbal. It's IP version, Ethernet video out, and the wiring setup is done by using the DC power. It's 12 voltage. Okay, let me show you the function of the gimbal. First is the 360-degree rotation. Okay, this side. Use the mode channel to make it faster, or slower, or faster. Pitch down. Okay. So zoom. Zoom out. This recording stop. Take photo again. And one function I want to mention that you can top the daylight mode and night vision mode. Now let's go to night vision mode. Now let's go back to daylight mode. Okay, this is it. And this mode, middle to high and back to mode. Okay. It's go back to home position automatically. This is it.